In this sixth video of the rhythm unit, we will be examining the concept of tempo. In music, I can go faster or slower not simply by just the types of notes that I use. I can also change the speed of the music by changing its tempo. In fact, tempo is the Italian word that means the speed of music. To change to different tempos, we will often use different Italian terms related to speed to show the performer what speed is being requested. Here at the bottom of the screen, we can see 6 very common examples of tempo. If I were to start at, let's say, an adagio tempo, meaning slow, and then over time gradually get faster, that would be something known as an accelerando, or ACC for short. And when translated, accelerando simply means that we are gradually getting faster. On the opposite end is the word ritardando, or RIT for short, and that means to gradually get slower. When putting these tempos into greater context and comparing them to one another, we could then theoretically put these tempos on a chart. The tempo that would go right in the middle would be the word moderato. And we can see here in parentheses that moderato would be about 81 to 90 beats per minute. Here is an example of a moderato pulse. Going faster from moderato would then bring me to allegro, which means fast, at 105 to 132 beats per minute. Once again, here is an example. Even faster than allegro would be the word vivace, which translated means lively, and this would be 132 to 150 beats per minute. Once again, an example. Even faster still would be the term presto, which, as you can see, is 168 to 177 beats per minute. There are tempos even faster than presto, but for now we are going to go to the slower end. Slower than moderato would be a tempo known as andante, which means walking tempo. Notice that andante is slightly faster than the second hand of a clock at 61 to 80 beats per minute. Here is an example. Slower than andante would be the term adagio, which is a much slower walk or leisurely walk, and it is 51 to 60 beats per minute. The slowest tempo that we will see today is a tempo known as largo, which translated simply means slow, at 41 to 50 beats per minute. At the beginning of most songs, we will actually see the tempo referenced, either by using these terms or having an equation telling us what note gets the beat value and how many beats per minute that note should be treated as. In the example here in the bottom right corner, we actually see both the tempo term and the equation. In our next video, we will learn about the concept of improvisation and writing your own rhythms.